Hello, my name is Artan Gurguri. This is my submission for the Kaggle AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding Capstone project. The project is called SQL Server Incident Triage Agent, and it is designed for database administrators and system engineers. SQL Server incidents often arrive as long and noisy logs. They can come from SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Server Agent Job History, SQL Server Error Log, monitoring tools, or application logs. During a production issue, a DBA has to quickly understand the category, severity, likely cause, and safe verification steps. This is important because a wrong action, such as shrinking files, killing sessions, forcing failover, or changing replication too often, can make the incident worse. The goal of this agent is to support the first triage phase in a safe and consistent way. The normal user workflow is simple. A DBA copies the real incident message from the SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Agent History, SQL Server Log, monitoring or application logs. Then the user pastes the text into the incident input field and clicks Analyze Incident. The Load Sample Incident option is only for demos and testing. In real use, the user pastes the actual incident text. The application then returns a structured triage result, but it does not execute SQL automatically. I used agents because incident response has multiple responsibilities. In this project, the ADK workflow separates those responsibilities into three roles. The SQL triage specialist analyzes the incident and uses read-only MCP tools. The safety reviewer checks the advice for privacy risk, unsafe actions, and unsupported claims. The incident coordinator then combines the diagnosis and safety review into the DBA-facing action plan. This makes the agent more useful than a single prompt because it separates technical triage from safety review. The architecture is local first and safety first. Streamlit receives the incident text. A privacy guard redacts sensitive-looking values such as users, hosts, database names, IP addresses, paths, and secrets. Then the local rule engine always runs first, so the application works even without an API key. If the user explicitly approves external AI sharing and a Google API key is configured, Google ADK can run the multi-agent workflow. The triage agent uses a local fast MCP server with read-only tools. The UI displays suggested SQL checks for DBA review, but the application itself does not execute SQL. So, after running the application, a new window opens in your browser. For the first demo, I am using a sample incident that simulates a failed SQL agent job that failed to backup. In real usage, this text would usually be copied from the SQL agent history or the SQL Server error log. After this, we click Analyze. The agent classifies this as backup storage with critical severity. In the privacy review, there are shown data that have been replaced for being sensitive-looking values. Then the likely cause is displayed insufficient free space. After this, we get the verification steps that a SQL database administrator can check, the recommended actions, and the SQL Server commands. The application also includes a controlled learning loop for unknown incidents. If no local rule matches, the ADK guidance is available. The user can save a redacted proposed rule only after human review and approval. This does not automatically activate the rule or modify the source code. It creates a JSON proposal that can later be reviewed, converted into a deterministic triage rule. In summary, this project is a practical business agent that helps reduce SQL Server incident triage time, improves consistency, and keeps human DBA approval in the loop for operational actions. Thank you.